Hi and welcome to Vaping Today. My name's Johnny and today we're talking about the Menthol Cigarette Ban. If you're a smoker of menthol cigarettes, menthol clicks or even flavoured tobacco, you're going to want to stay tuned because your whole smoking routine is about to change in the next few months. So, what do you need to know? Basically, it's all pretty black and white. All menthol cigarettes banned in May 2020. The announcement was made back in 2016 and it came alongside other initiatives like tax hikes and standardised packaging. Whilst those other initiatives were already underway, the menthol cigarette ban had a slightly longer time frame, but now retailers and tobacco companies are rapidly trying to get those minty cigs off the shelves. Now, if you think you could get around the ban by moving over to clicks like Sterling Jewel or JPS Crush Ball, I'm afraid you're mistaken, because they're also covered in the ban. Even flavoured tobacco will be outlawed, so if you're a menthol cigarette smoker, you're in for a bit of an ultimatum. So, what are your options? Well, option one is simply move over to tobacco cigarettes. Not our preferred option, but it's probably going to be the most popular one. Not every menthol smoker will be able to move over though. You've grown so accustomed to that minty taste that tobacco flavour will just be unbearable. I mean, you'll actually have to brush your teeth in the morning. You can't just go outside and spark a menthol ciggy. Now, option two, and we absolutely don't advocate this, but get your menthol cigarettes illegally. Now, all the policymakers will like to think there'll be no menthol cigarettes left in the UK, but truth is, there probably will. Now, Fred's cousin's colleague might be able to smuggle some back from Qatar. It's not really the answer, is it? Now, let us stress that we cannot and should not trust any tobacco products that aren't regulated in the UK. We don't know where they've come from, we don't know what's in them. Tobacco cigarettes are bad enough for your health as it is, without smoking these ones. Plus, you'll be breaking the law. Now, option three, this is our preferred option. Simply stop smoking. I know it's not that easy, and I know the policymakers want you to do this, so you'd probably be less inclined to do so. I get it, I'm the same. But hear me out, because I've got the holy grail. Drum roll please, e-cigarettes. Now the menthol cigarette ban has absolutely no bearing on vaping products. Pick up an e-cigarette, you can still get your nicotine fix and enjoy all their menthol flavours. You'll also be making really big strides towards a healthier lifestyle, as vaping is now recognised as 95% safer than smoking. It's also going to be really good for your bank balance, as you can save thousands of pounds a year if you switch to an e-cigarette. There's loads of different menthol e-liquid flavours available at Totally Wicked and other vape stores, not to mention the hundreds of sweet and fruity flavours. We think you'll not only find vaping bearable, but you'll actually enjoy it, and you'll notice the benefits in next to no time. So, the choice is yours. Either move over to tobacco cigarettes, get your menthol cigarettes illegally, or switch to an e-cigarette. Choice is yours. I know which one I'd make.